Hey, it's Douglas Cross. Let's talk about something important: how to save $500 a month, step by step. Now, maybe $500 sounds like a lot. And yes, for some people, it's not easy. But it's possible, one step at a time. Some of you might only manage $200 or $300 to start. That's okay. The key is to build smart habits that grow over time. Let's break it down. Step 1. Track every dollar. You can't save money if you don't know where it goes. For 7 days, write down every dollar you spend. Not just rent or bills, also coffee, snacks, apps, small items. This helps you become aware of your habits. Use a notebook or a budget app. Then print your last 2 bank statements. Highlight anything you didn't really need. This is the first step toward control. Step 2. Stop silent money leaks. These are small expenses you may not notice, but they add up. Unused subscriptions, auto-renewed apps, food delivery, free trials that now charge, credit card interest. Cancel, pause, or negotiate. Doing just this can save $50 to $150 per month without changing your lifestyle. Step 3. Use weekly limits for flexible spending. Monthly budgets are too broad. You might overspend early and struggle later. Instead, break your spending into weeks. For example, if you spend $400 a month on food, gas, and extras, make it $100 a week. When you reach that amount, stop spending. This only applies to flexible spending, not your fixed bills like rent or insurance. Use prepaid cards or cash envelopes to help stay on track. Step 4. Automate your savings. Don't wait to see what's left. Usually, there's nothing left. Instead, set up a small automatic transfer to savings, like $20 or $30 a week. Do this before you spend. Start small. Let it grow. Even $80 to $120 a month builds momentum. Step 5. Make a little extra, if possible. If cutting more is hard, earn a little more. Here are ideas: sell unused clothes or items, one-time boost, babysit, walk dogs, help neighbors. Offer basic help on apps like TaskRabbit. Try small freelance gigs or online tasks. Even 1 to 2 hours a week at $15 per hour is $60, $120 per month. That can cover part of your savings goal. Step 6. Use the 24-hour rule for spending. Impulse spending is a big reason people can't save. When you want to buy something, pause for 24 hours. Ask yourself, do I need it? Will I regret not buying it? Is it worth hours of work? Skipping just 2 to 3 small impulse buys a week, like a $10 snack or $25 gadget, can save $60, $100 per month. Step 7. Check your money once a month. Spend 10 to 15 minutes at the end of each month. Ask, what did I do well? Where did I overspend? What can I adjust? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep improving. This builds discipline and helps you stay on track. Now let's see how it adds up. Here's how real people save around $500 per month. Cancel 2 subscriptions, save $30. Cut food delivery, save $60. Prep your meals, save $80. Sell unused stuff, earn $75. One-time boost, 1 weekend gig, earn $100 per month. Auto save $50 per month. Avoid 3 impulse buys, save $60. Total, around $455 to $500 per month. You don't need to be rich. You just need to be intentional. Your 7-step plan to save $500 a month. Track your spending. Stop silent money leaks. Use weekly spending limits. Automate savings. Earn extra. If you can, wait 24 hours before buying. The monthly check-ins. Start small. Stay consistent. And your money will grow. If this helped, like and subscribe for more weekly money tips. Comment below with one small step you'll take this week. I read every one. And remember, your money should serve you, not stress you. This is Douglas Cross. Thanks for listening. You've got this.